Well, we know that immuno-oncology is a big thing. It's a major advance in our treatments of lung cancer. We know that we have guidance, we have strong evidence for its use in the first line and second line treatment of non-small cell lung cancer. And the question arises when patients have had first line immunotherapy, what is the best second line treatment? Should patients then go on to receive second line immunotherapy, or is combination chemotherapy better? There are no direct large trials to answer that question, and so we turn to real world data to see if this can then give us some idea as to where we should go for patients that are being treated off trial. And to do this, we went to databases, large databases, one of which was Flatiron, to see in the real world 6,000 patients chosen at random who had had first-line immunotherapy, and then to follow up what happened, whether they received second-line chemotherapy or second-line immunotherapy. And this was very interesting data because it showed that the patients who received combination chemotherapy seemed to have a better survival than those that went on to second-line immunotherapy. Now, because of the sample size, this did not reach statistical significance, but nevertheless pointed a view as to which way patients should be treated. We wanted to then corroborate that finding by looking at a separate independent database, and again from a similar number of patients. It was interesting because that database and the results from the analysis did not mirror the results that we got from the Flatiron database. And I think this really showed the differences in the way the data was collected on the two different databases. And so what we learned from that is that you can't just rely on the analysis of one large database to give us the answers in terms of how we should best treat our patients.